afternoon evening cycle at the Ulu Pandan Park Connector. Good time to come for something before 5 p.m. Pretty beautiful. Just off Clementi Road. And this direction will bring us to the Jurong Circular Bridge. AYE ahead, 2.1 kilometers from this point. It's just off Clementi Road, the starting point of this particular park connector. So the total distance probably about 2.5 km. Yep, along the way you pass this old rusty bridge. I don't think it's part of the rail corridor, or at least not yet, because I don't see anybody walking across, and it also looks like as if it's gonna like break and fall, you know. So be careful. Yeah, it's called the Jurong Heritage Trail. This old bridge. So I'm gonna turn the sharp turn here, so I just ding my bell, make sure no crazy zoomer comes. Okay, so that was the pretty part of the park connector. This part onwards, not so pretty. There's still a lot of construction, boarding, and so new flats coming on the left, on my left as we cycle on towards the AYE. Yep. So I don't know what kind of works they're doing. Hopefully it makes the environment even nicer. It's well lighted at night. You can see the lamppost, so you can come here cycling at night too. It's very flat. This stretch about 2.5 km. Good ride. Or good run actually, if you are training for your 2.4 km. One end to the other end. Or two ways, run 4.8. Flat. It does get quite crowded on weekends and public holidays, but this being a weekday in June 2021, day 1 of phase 3, heightened alert. And I'm out cycling because I'm on leave, yay! So that's how it goes. Catch you again as we approach the end of this ciao. Quintessentially Singapore SMRT train. It's a track between Jurong East and Clementi, if I don't remember wrongly. And on my left here, lots of construction holdings because they're building new HDB flats. Look, BTO, and the flats are just behind me. So I think all these flats will have a direct access to this park connector. Healthy living, pretty nice. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, we're approaching the end of this stretch. On my left you see this orange condominiums which have been around for a while. Rather low rise, so not exactly a new development. I can't remember the name, I'm sorry. And the waterway on the right, which is a big longkang drain. And we're approaching the end of this part, hitting the AYE, where we'll find the Jurong Circular Bridge somewhere there as we approach it. This is the final stretch. AYE in 0.5 km, which is 500 meters away. And this is the stretch. Let's go. It's me again as we approach the end of this Ulu Pandan Park connector. Spotted a couple of some professional looking hobbyist photographers with huge cameras. I don't know what they're taking, but yeah, pretty large. Wildlife Appreciation Club, maybe not, I don't know. Okay, I can see the holdings now. They're trying to make this ABC waterways even nicer. Well done, PUB and Parks, whoever's in charge of this. Kudos to you. We have more options to go around Singapore. And we're approaching the end of it. Let's go. That's right, here we are, Jurong Circular Bridge. But we're not going to cross the bridge for now. We are just going to go on northwards. Let's go. We're going to go to Jurong.